Today I will show how to install Postman on Mac. Just you go browser and type Postman. There you can click on this button. My Mac version is M2, Apple M2 Pro. You can find on top left. After clicking on this Mac Apple chip, then your Postman is downloaded zip file. In Mac there is mainly two type of application download in DMG file and in zip. The zip is the compressed version, so after clicking double click on this, your zip file is extracted. So after clicking, this is the extracted file. Simply just drag and drop in application, and here you can find Postman. Permission issue, so click open, hit open. When first time you open Postman, there is something like that: sign in or create an account. If you already log in, then simply you can click sign in, otherwise create new account. There is some process like email, username, password, or simply you can log in with Google account. I choose Google one. This is the terms and agreement. Now your Postman is open in your system, but before this you tell Postman why you installing this and what is the purpose of. So type your name, what's your role. You can type anything. Just it's like a simple process. After giving all these detail, your Postman is open. And how to check your Postman is working fine or not. So you can check by simply online. In online there are many API services which are free. So by that you can check those API on the Postman. I will show how to check your Spring Boot project microservices or REST API on Postman. But before that, you just need something else. So I searched on browser like JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder is a website where fake APIs are present. Simply you paste your URL on Postman, then hit enter. This is the get request. And how you save for future use, you can do this process.